Okey, hak Tok Ma, hak Tok Ma.
Hak Tok Ma?
Oh. Okey, kita pergi beli toy. Nak?
Ami nak toy apa?
Now, what's this?
Okay, you have to
Tok
eat
Ma
first,
nak beli
kan?
toy dengan anggun.
Ami?
Naik flight dengan anggun, naik kapal terbang. This is
cupcake.
okay. What cupcake you want?
I don't know.
You know what?
This is the top demon hunters.
Okey, cepat tengok berapa tinggi. How tall are you?
I hate this.
Oh.
Put back.
Oh, nak tajuk.
Okay.
Okay, let's go, jom.
Okay, listen. Only one. You can choose only one.
Okay, Anggun, you can only choose one.
Now, go!
Nak? Iris nak?
Wow.
For her, not mak dia bayar. Aku yang bayar. Kati dia lah nak beli apa. Yang korang duk kontrol dia. Kenapa put back? Take this. Nah.
Woohoo! Nanti kena beli bateri.